To understand round-robin algorithm of CPU scheduling, let's assume we have 4 processes, P1, P2, P3, and P4. And let's say their execution time is okay, let's assume that the time quantum we have right now is 2 units of time, right? Let's see how will these processes be executed. What will be the order of execution? So first of all, we have this process P1. Since the time quantum is 2, that means first of all P1 will run, right? P1 will run, and since it can only run for 2 units of time, as we have fixed the time quantum right here, that means 3 minus 2 is 1. So it will run for 2 units of time, and then what time is remaining now? That's 1. So its service time is 3. It ran for 2 units of time. Now, how much more time does it need? 1. Why? 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. So we will actually subtract the time quantum with the service time, right? We will minus the time quantum with the service time. So we get 1. The next process is P2, and it has a service time of 5, and it can only run for 2 units of time because our time quantum is 2. That means 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. Okay, the next process is P3. Okay, now you can see here that our time quantum is 2, while the service time of P3 is 1. So it is less than the time quantum. So how much time will this process take? It will obviously take 1 unit of time, which is its service time. And then we have, okay, one more thing. Since it will take only 1 unit of time, and if it doesn't have to be executed anymore, so its time is 0 now, right? So it's out of the queue. It means it's out of the queue. The next process is P4, and here you can see its service time is greater than the time quantum. So 6 minus 2 equals to 4. So now its service time is 4, and it will run for 2 units of time. And then this queue will start all over again, right? So now it's again the turn of P1. So what is the service time of P1 right now? It's 1, right? So it's now 0. It will become 0, and it will run for 1 unit of time. The next one is P2. Its service time is 3 right now. 3 minus 2 is equals to 1, and it will run for 2 units of time. Then we have P3, but P3 is not in the queue anymore. It's gone. Why? Because it has reached 0. Its service time is 0 now. And then we have P4, and P4 has 4 units of time. So 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. Right? 2 processes are gone from the queue. Now the queue will start again. Again, we don't have P1 here. It's gone. So we have P2 now. So P2 will run and take the CPU for 1 unit of time. So it will be 0 now. The next process is not P3. P3 is gone. We have P4. So P4 will run now, and it has the service time of 2. 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. Now all the processes are gone. And this is your chart of your execution order if we are using round robin. So this is the order in which the processor will be run.